attempt to become a little more organized in the very small space that I have, I decided that I would purchase some new screwdriver sets, some small refined bits. I ended up doing some searching on Amazon and Banggood and AliExpress, and I ended up with this. I just purchased it, it just came in, so I thought I would share this with you. Let's go ahead and this nice white box, a symbol on it. I don't know what that means. This wasn't a name. So this is the box right here. Nice and nice style. I do like the way that it looks, and I also like the fact that it's fairly condensed. For some reason I thought it was going to be a little larger, but let's see. So push and it just slides open. We've got all of our mini bits here. Comes with this little pry bar, tweezers. Let's see if I can get them out. There we go. So we got some tweezers. Those are nice. This pry bar, which I need to pry out. Okay. As you can see it, there we go. So we've got our various standard bits, hex bits, star bits, like various sizes. That's nice. Some of these I've never actually seen or probably will not use. Oh, push right here. And here is our screwdriver. On the end. Now, one of the things I did like about this particular set when I looked it up was these bits seem to be magnetic. And they seem to be magnetic into the holder, as well as into the screwdriver. And that's actually a nice fit. It's a little slight movement there, but I still think this would be a perfect set, especially since I have so many bits now that are basically all over the place in all my different tool settings. Well,
if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe below. Thank you.